Hello, investors! Let's take a look at the markets from around the world today. U.S. stocks mostly fell on Monday after President Donald Trump renewed pressure on Tehran, with Middle East tensions overshadowing signs of diplomatic talks. Trump has repeated his threat to open the Strait of Hormuz or risk U.S. attacks on Iranian oil wells and power plants. Asian markets witnessed their biggest fall since 2022 on Tuesday, as the war in the Middle East entered its second month, intensifying concerns across global markets. At the same time, concerns are growing that higher costs and geopolitical uncertainty may weigh on consumer demand, business activity, and overall economic growth. Europe opens in the green today, but the bigger market story remains rising oil prices, inflation fears, and the deep scars left by a volatile March. Oil prices were largely flat on Tuesday, as investors weighed hopes of a U.S.-led end to the Iran war against supply risks from the prolonged Strait of Hormuz closure. Gold prices rose on Tuesday on hopes of de-escalation in the Middle East conflict, but were poised for their worst month in more than 17 years, as higher energy prices dimmed hopes for a U.S. interest rate cut this year. As the day was marked by key shifts across stocks and commodities, let's see what else made headlines. Samsung-backed AI chip startup Rebellions raises $400 million ahead of IPO. Why it matters. Focused on AI inferencing. Rebellions competes with Nvidia, Grok, and Cerebras and plans to use the funds to expand in the U.S. Morgan Stanley's E-Trade emerges as frontrunner for SpaceX IPO retail share sale. Why it matters. A lead role in the SpaceX IPO would be a major win for E-Trade, which has been battling for market share against rivals such as Robinhood Markets, Charles Schwab, and Interactive Brokers in recent years. If you want to know more about stock market investing, follow us and subscribe to our channel.